User interface. User interface is an interface which is used to interact with the hardware. User interface allows an user to interact with the hardware, which refers to the hardware software mechanism by which a user interacts with computer to pass instructions to it. Now we'll talk about the different types of user interface. First type of user interface is graphical user interface, in which everything is present in the form of graphics. Like when we work in Windows, we have everything in the form of graphics. We can open any folder by clicking on it. So everything is displayed in the form of graphics. On the other hand, the next category is command user interface. Command user interface is written in the form of commands. Like everything we have to write in the form of commands. So graphical user interface, we can see everything is present in the form of graphics. We can have pictures, icons, we can see. And another category is command user interface. In command user interface, everything is written in the form of commands. Like for opening any folder, to view the different files, we use certain commands. Now let me show you some working of command user interface and graphical user interface. First, let me explain you the functioning in graphical user interface. In graphical user interface, as you can see, I have a desktop. If I want to open a particular file or a drive, I'll double click on this. So this will open a window. I want to see what files are present in this drive. I'll double click on this and I can see all files. If I want to open this folder, like these are the folders and files present inside this. So this is how we work in a graphical user interface. Everything is present in the form of graphics. Like if you want to create a new file or a new folder, just right click on this. We can have options. We can view different images. So everything is present in the form of graphics. As you can see, this is called graphical user interface. Next, we'll discuss about command user interface. In command user interface, we have a certain command like this. Like currently I'm in C drive, Windows System 32. I want to come out of this folder. I use cd dot dot command. So this will come out, cd dot dot. I'll come out of this drive. And if I want to go to D drive, so I'll click on write D colon enter. Now I'm in D drive. I want to display the files or folders present inside the D drive. I use the command dir. So that will display all the files present in this drive, in this folder. So for working in a command user interface, we have to learn certain commands, which is one of the disadvantage of graphical user interface. Graphical user interface, we can do it easily with the help of clicks and all. We have images, and in command user interface, we have to remember certain commands. So this was the basic difference between graphical user interface and command user interface.